Hi. Hi, good morning. I don't know who needs to hear this, but this is to every mother who feels quite tired on getting up in the morning, feels that there's a rush to do all the things and complete everything in the morning hours. Hi, just like you, even I encountered the same rush, the same hurry, and often encountered the tired feeling also on getting up. But dear, do you have a good night sleep? Check out. If your night sleep wasn't good, perhaps your day also might not turn good. And if you're in a rush thing, dear, did you actually figure out some moments for you? Did you have your own me time? You need it. We mothers often feel this sense of urgency to complete everything around, right? Um, Nothing wrong about it. That sense of urgency often becomes pretty overwhelming. And it sidetracks us. It sidetracks we doing our own thing. We forget the fact that unless we do things for ourselves, no one else is going to tell us, get up, do that. So, you know what, for the last few days, I have found out, rather not for the last few days, I have been doing it for a very long time, but consistently I've been doing it for the last few days. To have a good night's sleep, even if it is for a few hours, maybe see because your kids need your time, you might be out and you need to do the daily chores also in the house. See to it that the night sleep is absolutely sound. Now, most of the mothers complain that if they miss out on that particular moment of sleep, it's pretty difficult to sleep in the night. Did you try out that eye mask with a ice pack in it or with a cool pack in it? Try it out. I have been trying it, and it's, trust me, somehow the tired fatigue feeling in your eye, it will remove it out. But do that. It will put you in a nice mood. At least the sleep, the hours that you get for sleeping will be really good. Secondly, mm, don't forget to massage your feet all by yourself. Massaging your feet towards the end of the day, especially when you're sleeping, and don't run around with the oil on your feet actually. So massage your feet and go off to sleep. Feels nice. You will encounter that the night sleep was very deep, even if it was for a few hours. And then third and the most important thing that I feel is your night sleep may not be as affected with the mobiles or your talks or chatters or movies that you watch. At least not, it doesn't happen with me because I still haven't figured out how to keep the mobiles and electronic gadgets away even half an hour before sleeping. Okay. So what I feel is your night routine actually begins with your early morning routine. So when you get up in the morning, no matter what time you get up, take out some moments and do your stretching and physical activity. It's mandatory that your body gets into that feeling of light feeling. It gets that feeling of ease so that it's able to pull you through the day without getting much tired and fatigued, and it feels it has done the workout and it's ready to sleep now. So see to it that you do these things. They are basic things, I feel. And night sleep is very important. Also, have good food. Don't keep yourself empty stomach for a long time. One more important thing which I've observed in most of my patients, especially who are moms, is that they'll wait till late nights for their husbands to return home, and then they'll have their meals maybe after 12 o'clock or so. In the morning, they might wake up early by 5:30, and then the breakfast would be just sipping teas and teas, which may be around till 10 o'clock or so, and then 10 o'clock or 11, and maybe at 11 or 10 they'll have some breakfast nominal. Could be a chapati or tea, which most of them routinely have. I mean, I'm not against it, but I'm against the fact that you wait for such a long duration to even put something in your mouth. And then they end up having lunch by around 2 o'clock, and then the dinner directly at 12. I mean, there's so much of gap in between the meals. please see to it that you decrease these gaps, because ultimately what you come up with would be migraine, your headaches, and then popping pills again without changing this lifestyle serves no good. Your sleep will be affected by this, your moods will be affected by that. I see to it that I do this. Now just woke up, did some workout. I mean, not workout exactly, because um, I'm having periods, so it's not a heavy workout. I do stretches definitely, and I feel because I'm on my toes through the day, I'm doing a lot of things, carrying bags becomes easy if I take care of my back on a regular basis and my legs on a regular basis. I hope you're doing the same thing. If you're not, please see to it that you do it for yourself, because no one is going to come over and tell you, hey, have you done your exercise? Hey, have you had your meal? Did you sleep properly? Did you sleep well? No. They'll just tell you you manage it by yourself. It's a sad but bitter truth. Accept it. Your health is just your own responsibility, and it's fact. Take care of your own health now. Will you? See you. Bye. Have a good day.